Hi, I'm Bob Linde. I'm an acupuncture physician and registered herbalist of the Tradition School of Herbal Studies, coming to you from the Magical Butter Kitchen. Today we're going to make a natural lotion for hives. Hives is usually an acute condition from contact dermatitis or something you've eaten, causes a little itchy rashiness, raised bumps. Normally we don't think of this as a serious condition. But should yours continue and not get better, or you have any kind of tightness in your chest or difficulty breathing, don't hesitate to seek medical attention from a doctor or call 911 if you're having a serious problem breathing. So we're going to look at some herbs that can be really helpful for that acute onset kind of issue. And interestingly enough, not only are we going to make a lotion out of this and infuse these into oils, you could also make a tea out of this and drink these. And it'll work even better when you're working from the inside and from the outside at the same time. So a couple of things that we're going to use. Smilax medica, which is also known as sarsaparilla, specific for hot skin disorders. We're going to use honeysuckle flowers. This is also a Chinese herb that's known as jinyanhua. And these flowers are used for what we call heat toxins. And that's kind of what we're looking at when we're talking about hives coming up quickly. Then we're going to look at some chickweed, which is about soothing the skin, stopping itching. Burdock root, detoxifying and nourishing to the body. It will actually help to soothe and really help to reestablish healthy skin. And then some things that I really like for this that not everybody would recognize as something for hives or skin disorders. Lavender, anxiety sometimes is caused by that really bad itching that comes from the hives. So lavender, we use it for burns. And a hive sometimes feels like a burn, but it also calms the mind. So I really love putting a little bit of lavender in here. Chamomile is actually diaphoretic and antispasmodic and calms down both tissues, red itchy eyes, anything hivey, allergy related. I love chamomile. And that one luckily doesn't taste too bad, really easy to find. And if you had no access to these, you could even find some chamomile in your grocery store, wet the tea bag and put that on your itches or hives. And last but not least, one of my favorites is elderberry flower. And so that again is another diaphoretic herb that's going to help to get that heat out of the body quickly and soothe that itching. We're going to do equal proportions of each one of these. So we're actually going to do a tablespoon of each. We're going to add those to about 500 milliliters of olive oil and 100 milliliters of castor oil. The castor oil is going to help to draw some of those toxins out of the skin as well. So we can make more or less depending on your needs at a 5-to-1 ratio. We're going to keep it on a lower heat. We don't want to heat the oils up, so we're going to use the second setting, the 130-degree setting. And for me, I like to have this pre-made. It's sitting on my shelf anytime I might get a rash or some hives that come up acutely. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this on the 8-hour cycle, let it cook overnight, and that way I'm going to have the strongest medicine that I can create. So what we have here is a great combination of herbs and oils that we can pre-make to put into our first aid kit to have in our home for friends and family for any time an acute rash, hives, or other skin condition comes up. So let's enjoy our natural lotion for hives and other itchy things. This is Bob Linde in the Magical Butter Kitchen, enjoying my herbs.